voice that sparkles under the spotlight. You fought hard, you braved the stage, singing dreams alive, turning every page. From coffee shop dreams to the big old screen, you found your magic in ways unseen. With each note you soared, made the crowd roar. With every strum we knew you were meant for more. I'm so proud of my songbird flying high. Gabrielle, you're the star in the night sky. Chasing dreams, you put your heart on display. Singing on the voice, the world knew your name. Gwen, oh Gwen, what were you thinking? In a sea of stars, you missed the one blinking. You showed the world your grit, your grace. With every song you lit up the place. We watched you shine, felt the love you spread. But sometimes the choices, they fill us with dread. You made it far, through laughter and tears. Gabrielle, you conquered all doubts and fears. With every chord and heartfelt line, you reminded us all how to truly shine. I'm so proud of my songbird flying high. Gabrielle, you're the star in the night sky. Chasing dreams, you put your heart on display. Singing on the voice, the world knew your name. Gwen, oh Gwen, what were you thinking? In a sea of stars, you missed the one blinking. So here's to you, my dear friend. Your journey's just started, this isn't the end. With every note, keep burning bright. You're the heart of the music, the purest light. And when the lights fade, remember this truth: you're the songbird that brings us our youth. I'm so proud of my songbird flying high. Gabrielle, you're the star in the night sky. Chasing dreams, you put your heart on display. Singing on the voice, the world knew your name. Gwen, oh Gwen, what were you thinking? In a sea of stars, you missed the one blinking. So keep singing loud, let the world hear your song. Gabrielle, you've been right all along. With every note, lift your wings and soar. You're my songbird forever, my heart you restore.